Hello guys, and welcome back to House of Cramel. I am Cramel. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when we post a new video. I won't be doing a vlog this week, but have no fear, I got you. Today I will be sharing 3 fall inspired drinks that aren't pumpkin spice. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so obviously Starbucks has launched their pumpkin spice latte and other pumpkin spice drinks. But there are so many other flavors to consider around fall. So here are 3 of the ones that I came up with. First, I'm going to do a classic hot chocolate. I love a good chocolatey hot chocolate. So I'm doing this the quick way, guys. This isn't the homemade way for many of my drinks. So I do 2 packets because I just love a really chocolatey hot chocolate. I'm not much of a milk girl, so I add hot water, but of course add milk if that is your preference. Make sure it's hot. Stir, stir, stir. And after I give it a good stir, the last thing I do is either add whipped cream or marshmallows. Today felt like a marshmallow day, so that's what I added. And there you have it, a chocolatey hot chocolate. By the way, I used Swiss Miss hot chocolate. Next up is the OG fall fruit apple. I'm doing a caramel apple cider. You guys, what makes this apple cider special is adding caramel at the bottom before you pour in the apple cider or apple juice, whatever it is your choice. I'm using simply apple. And then I give it a good stir so that the caramel gets throughout the drink. And once I stir it, I add whipped cream to the top and drizzle more caramel on top of that. I actually was inspired by Starbucks on this one. It's delicious if you've never tried whipped cream in your apple cider. Alright guys, and this last drink is about to have you shook. I am suggesting that you try a sweet potato latte. That's right, a sweet potato. I mean, if we're doing it with pumpkins, why can't we do it with a sweet potato? So basically, the long and the short of it is you steam a sweet potato, puree it, and you season it in the way that you would probably eat your sweet potatoes. Add about a half a cup of the milk of your choice. I suggest oat milk, almond, or coconut. Add about 1/4 cup of water. Blend it in a blender type appliance like a NutriBullet or an actual blender. Make sure it's hot, so you may need to reheat it in the microwave. Add it to the cup of your choice. Get some whipped cream on the top and add a little bit of nutmeg or cinnamon on top of the whipped cream. And you have a sweet potato latte. I will post a few suggestions at the bottom in the description box, so be sure to visit it. But I highly suggest that you use a bit of brown sugar, maple syrup, and cinnamon to taste for your sweet potato when you make the puree. That's all guys. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know if you like this type of thing, and we will see you next week with another vlog. Bye.